Hi everyone, just look what is in my hand. This is Blucut sunglass of Lenskart, which I ordered almost 3 weeks before. But today I'm going to unbox it because I was not sure that it is really working or not. I ordered it for my daughter. Uh, what happened recently, she was facing some problem when she had to spend 2 to 3 hours in front of a computer. I started paining, and then I thought to go for a blue cut sunglass, and I ordered it. Right now she has no complaint. She can easily spend her time in front of a computer. That's why I'm going to unbox it today. And if you were thinking to go for a blue cut sunglass, then you can easily waste your 5 minutes for this video. This video is going to help you. As you can see, I received this sunglass in this way. This is the box, and the packaging is quite good, as you can see. And in front of the box it is written that do more, be more. If you go through the side, you can see the Lenskart branding, and this side also you can see the Lenskart branding. But from that, the bottom of the box, as you can see the price tag, the MRP you can see, and it is mentioned here 3,500. If you visit your nearest Lenskart rates detail, you have to spend 3,500 rupees for this product. But as I ordered it from Amazon, I had to spend only 600 rupees for this sunglass. But don't worry, I already provided the buy link in the description section. You can go for it to check the best discount price on this product. So let me unbox it first. So this is the box. First open the box and check what is basically inside it. So this is the box. And what else inside the box? Let me check. Okay, this is the scan code. If you want to register the warranty, then you have to scan this code. This is already inside the box. You get these things along with the sunglass, and just keep it aside. Let me check the sunglass first. Let me show you. So just look, this is the sunglass, and it comes in this way. This is the cleaning cloth, and you can see the Lenskart branding here also. So just look, this is the sunglass, and it looks quite sober. It automatically gives you a decent look. Just wait, I'm going to show you how it looks like on her face. It's automatically add a different charm on her face, don't you think so? Let me know how she looks like with this sunglass in the comment section. It's quite comfortable to wear, the frame is totally made with plastics. Plastic is quite soft and smooth and quite comfortable too. You can easily stretch the strap just because of its design. You can see the design here. You can easily stretch it how much you require. Basically, it's also available in different color. You can go for any one of them, but as I like it, I ordered these things for my daughter. And the frame is totally made with plastic, as you can see. Just have a look how it looks like, and from the side it looked like this, and you can see the straps here. And one more thing, this is completely weightless. I can't even feel that there is something in my hand. And my daughter never complains anything about this product. She can easily wear it, and she is quite comfortable with this sunglass. So if you are thinking to go for a blue cut sunglass for your kids, then you can easily go for it. It's quite comfortable to wear. She can easily handle it for long times. And one more thing which I noticed, it doesn't leave a single mark on her face. It's quite comfortable and quite soft. The material is quite soft. Anyone can easily handle it, and anyone can use it for a long time. So this is the main thing. I almost tell you each and everything about this. And if you have any question, then please let me know. I'll definitely try to answer you. So bye bye.